me just keep an eye on the chain then.
Absolutely. All right, D. So y'all, this is it's. Let's go, dude. So I'm helping another driver right now. He
Toe strap.
the strap. Yep. Hey David, as it goes, if that strap starts to get onto the fender, let me know. I'll put my foot on it.
I can only see where the hook is. I can't see nothing else.
So far, so good.
Alright?
So far.
All right, I'm about to straighten the wheel a little bit, Bubba. Good deal. Yep. That way?
You gotta go dead center.
Okay, let me know and I'll straighten it out whenever it's turning. More? More?
How am I on the edge?
Looking good.
In front of the end?
Yeah, everything's off of everything. 100%. Nice and slow, David. That's perfect, man. Now I'm going to start straightening it out.
I need you to come back towards that way.
You ready?
That's good.
Nice, dude.
It's gotta go in the dry box, so it's gonna be dead center.
Absolutely.
Alright, turn that way.
All the way, right? Hey, I'm going to watch this front.
You get on the front.
Oh, yeah, way good. Tons of clearance. Nice, bud. And if you want, we can come back down once.
We're gonna have to live with that. I'll just have to line up the cockeye.
Okay.
See that?
Yeah, straighten it out, right?
No,
Perfect. So yeah, the other way. Nice.
How are we looking?
Is it touching?
No, you're good. You got the front is amazingly high off the ground. It's like it's a lot higher than what you would.
Hard right. The other right.
Nice, David.
Right there, hold it there.
So it's a Fiero chassis. That is neat. All right, y'all. I'll be back with y'all. He's just going about a mile down the road, and this thing is actually going inside of a trailer of a truck. So stay tuned for that.
Hey, is your airbags of your trailer drop? We can drop them, yeah. Tell her to drop them. Let her drop them.
So he's gonna level up with it. If not, we could put boards underneath it. Yes, sir. You're welcome. Awesome. Yeah. He's got it on the lip. I'm gonna duck so you can get a good shot. Get out of his way so you can get a good shot of the car. You want me to pull my truck up?
I wonder if it's a good idea. It ain't gonna roll because they got a wheel chuck. Unhook that.
That's right. All right. We're gonna push. He's getting some reinforcement so we can stay in control.
Y'all got to push it in because I got to watch the bed. Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3.
You ready?
Yeah. She's going nice and straight.
Let's just do a truck driver now.
Yep.
I wonder if I should put this all the way to the front. I'm not sure. I've never done this before.
Man, as far as packing a trailer, that's all gonna be brand new to me.
Watch the right side.
Yeah, so a little bit over here, huh? Yeah, I guess he's trying to think about how he's gonna. All right, this will center you out some, okay? And then we'll.
How far in?
He's kind of going through it in his head. Give him a second.
That's up to you, sir.
All right, David, I'm gonna go.